And Pittsburgh starts out with the ball. Now Curry. Harden outside.
Who's watching here?
To the paint. And stolen by Aldridge. Pass to Ori. Takes it off the glass.
Nice possession. Ori getting the close look to go.
Here's Gobert. Back to Curry. And the layup falls.
Stephen Curry.
And once he got to the 10, I think he was surprised to find himself that wide open.
Easy possessions like that literally are just a gift. You just dream of them. He'll gladly take those.
And for Terry Rozier, all of his efficiency numbers are way up the last couple of years. Here's a guy who was just 37% from the field during his time in Boston.
Now here's Curry. Shot clock at 5. Here's Harden. Lays it up off the glass.
And that's not nearly the kind of defense that's going to prevent a player of his ability from scoring.
Here's Rozier. Pittsburgh pulls it in. And the numbers of Terry Rozier, as you mentioned, they're getting better bit by bit, Greg.
Scary Terry's three-point shooting is way up, and that helps big time. With experience, Rozier isn't forcing things offensively, becoming a much better decision maker. Puts the D in a tough spot when you have a point guard who can throw it down.
He really does, GA. He really does put pressure on him.
Yeah, hard to strategize for a guy who can make a pass or a play like this right in your face.
I tell you what, you better watch out, fellas. He is on fire here today.
Nobody near Barnes. Off to a good start as he hits his first shot attempt.
And once Rozier spots that hole in the defense, he just doesn't hesitate. Just sends the ball to an open shooter.
Robert Porter. That's his first personal foul. First team foul.
Here in the first, just under 2.5 minutes played so far. Here's Harden. 2 free throws coming up, and they call the shooting foul.
Look, some of James Harden's career numbers are crazy, but he's also got a lot of firsts to go along with those overall totals, like the first 60-point triple-double.
That one misses. And Harden was the first player to average 35 points and 7 assists in a season.
Yeah, and that was in the 2018-19 season. The same year, he was also the first player to score at least 30 points against every other team. No one had done that since the NBA expanded in 2004.
For Pittsburgh, they've gone 1 for 2 on the night so far from the line. He hits one and misses one, each at the line. Here's Ivy. Pass to Barnes. His second shot goes in, off to a good start, 2 for 2.
Boy, he is looking confident. Love how they're using him so far.
Yeah, when he gets engaged this early in the game, it's bad news for the defense. He can roll this start throughout the rest of the game.
Now, here's Simons. Trying to find Jokic, gets it to him. Off to a good start as he hits his first shot attempt.
And this is where Jokic is most comfortable. The closer he is to the rim, the more effective he becomes.
To the inside. Ori. And the dunk by Ori.
Incredible reverse throwdown. Excellent body control.
And guys, I'd even go as far to say that was a punctuation dunk. Now here's Jordan. No points in the game yet for him. No dice from the high post. Smart on the wing. Here's Ivy. And he hits it to tie the game up.
He just makes it look so easy on offense. Like, who takes pleasure in torturing defenses? He does.
Here's Jordan. Poked away. From deep. The kick out to Barnes. Pass to Simons. 5 to shoot. The shake. And he makes no mistake on the slam dunk.
And giving up some inches inside, but makes up for it with an aggressive style.
Yeah, you can give up some size, but that shows you how fearless he is, willing to attack the basket no matter who is in front of him.
And this is where Smart has really improved. The game's slowed down for him. He's playing under better control. Nice pass.
Simons on the wing. And the officials calling for a 3-second violation.
Substitution on the court.
1 second left. And slam dunk by Smart.
A great look provided by Embiid. The big man just dropping dimes.
And that concludes a back-and-forth, high-scoring first quarter of play. Atlanta leads by 3. And
15.
And some good action in the books as we get back to the game that's been pretty close here so far. And a closer look here at the scoring breakdown for Atlanta. Outside, Green. Jacks up a 3. Another 3 for Atlanta.
And guys, there are some you can give that shot to, but let's be clear, he's not one of them. Terrible job there by the D.
Harden up top. Doesn't go for him. Great D that time from Green. Smart with the ball. And Curry picks him up defensively. From deep, Marley. Good, and Smart gets the assist. Marley's got his first 3 points of the game.
Yeah, Thunder Dan Marley, a lights-out perimeter scorer, a talented shooter from deep.
Curry can't get it to go.
Fantastic defense, giving full effort.
And Marcus Smart, GA, the very definition of a guy you love on your team, but hate to play against.
Yeah, and teams that go deep need that sort of presence. Smart is more than just an agitator, though. Great player who anyone would want to play alongside.
Pass to Williamson. And the layup's good off the glass.
Williamson.
Just great awareness from Curry. So good at reading the floor and finding his open teammates.
Smart goes in. And slam dunk by Smart.
Yeah, I mean, maybe could have tried for a more memorable dunk than that one.
And we know he's capable of those memorable ones. Here's James. Not going to go that time. And Atlanta will go the other way with it. Pass to Tucker. To the middle. Here's Embiid. Count the bucket. And he's got a free throw coming up as well.
We see this so often. Embiid makes a strong move, drawing contact, and completes the play.
Pittsburgh making a switch here. The free throw drops for Embiid.
And I feel like one of the more underrated aspects of Embiid's game is his passing.
He understands that teams are going to bring 2, sometimes 3. You have to make quick decisions with the ball when that happens. Embiid, he embraces that challenge.
Into the lineup for your home team.
And here's Atlanta. They're on an 11-2 run. Outside, Green. Quarter 2 and just under 2.5 minutes gone by. Here's Smith. And he drives in. And Smith with the stuff.
I like whenever Smith leaps up high for the jam. He's a guy that just doesn't mess around when he's in attack mode to get to the rim.
Robinson for 3. He can't get that one to fall. So Atlanta will take it the other way. And Tucker has it in the corner. Off target with his three.
Rare you'll see him miss such an open look.
Pass to James. Pittsburgh working the ball around. Now here's Gobert. Nothing yet on the scoreboard for him. Just 5 on the clock. And there's the shot clock violation. Couldn't get the shot off in time. Pittsburgh making a switch here. Just under 3.5 minutes played here in the second quarter. Pass to Olynyk. And here's Marley outside. Hits it from three-point range. Marley's got a couple of three-pointers in the second for Atlanta. And it'll be Pittsburgh with their first time out of the game here. And Pittsburgh with the possession here. 17-point game. And here is Simons. Pass to Jordan. Clock at 6. Over Ivy. And the shot is long.
No matter what looks they get, they just can't convert to stop this run.
This is snowballing for them. They've got to get a good look next time down.
Getting more comfortable shooting from inside. Even though Smith Jr. is smaller, he knows how to score in the paint.
And again, it's Pittsburgh missing. Atlanta leading by 19. And Barnes sends it back. There's the drive. Bucket is good.
And the combination of his quickness and soft touch around the rim really allows him to pull off shots like that. A lot of players don't have the reverse in their arsenal.
One-on-one fast break. And the official signaled the backcourt violation. Not very careful there.
Checking in for the away team, Zion Williamson.
26 seconds left in the first half of basketball. Here's Ivy. We've got 13 seconds left here in the second. 6 to shoot. Drills the baseline jumper. Ivy's got 5.
And nice job taking what the defenders gave him. But these guys need a gut check right now.
Yeah, you'd love to see a little bit more fire on defense. Shoot any fire on defense. They can't just be giving the game away.
And so it's Atlanta with a 19-point advantage heading into the next quarter. From the field, they have been outstanding. Amazing shooting. That's what has them headed to a blowout. We'll return shortly. And with a big gap on the scoreboard, the second half begins with very different goals for these teams. One side trying to mount a comeback, one side trying to protect their lead. Rozier looking around. Pass to Ori. Fires for 3. And that one clearly a foul. Gets the whistle and 2 shots coming up.
And so versatile. Ori can play a number of positions and can be plugged into just about any lineup.
Ori hits them both. Pittsburgh trails by 21. Barnes outside. The 3. LaMarcus Aldridge grabs the miss. And foul on the shot, so he'll get a chance at the line.
Stephen Curry.
They get Stephen Curry.
Personal foul.
Way to attack there and then create the contact.
He's gone 2 for 2 at the line so far. That's good from Ori. Ori hits them both. And it's Harden with the ball for Pittsburgh. And a minute played as the second half gets going. From deep three-point range. Can't hit that one. Atlanta leading by 23. Here's Ivy. And slam dunk by Ivy.
It's good to see Rozier improving as a playmaker. Passes like this help make his guys better players.
Now a timeout called by Pittsburgh. Here's Harden. He has 5. And it's sent back by Aldridge.
And look at how well Aldridge utilizes his size, reaching out and just batting away the shot. You gotta love his hustle, leaving the defense no time to react.
And all of a sudden, that man was just on the other end. Wow.
It's Curry outside.
Stephen Curry.
It's good from long range. Curry's got 8.
When he gets a quality look like this at the perimeter, he can almost be automatic.
Pass to Ori. Now Barnes. Guarded by Robinson. Robinson with the block. Curry looking around. Offline with his 3.
And even with good coverage defensively that time, he has confidence to drill the 3.
Here's Ori. Rozier with the ball. Pass to Aldridge. That's good, and it's Rozier with the assist.
And inside the paint, Aldridge can be so physical, not letting anything get in his way.
Harden draws the double. Left side Curry. Outside Robinson. Back to Curry. Beyond the arc. Another miss by Curry. They're making this a runaway.
And the only question for me right now is just how big the lead will eventually become. You gotta love his aggressiveness to finish inside.
Well, his leaping ability gives him a great advantage. Back to Curry. Now Harden. And finished off by Gobert.
And sometimes it's as simple as this. Throw it up anywhere near Gobert, and he's going to finish it.
Pass to Ori. Back to Rozier. And he uses both hands to jam it in.
And really the story of this second half, one team getting the shots they want, the other not so much.
And start with their defense. They've been intense on that end, and they can actually help their offense as well.
Pass to Curry. Fires from deep. Atlanta with the rebound. There's 45 seconds left to play here in the third. Now, here's Ivy. Here's Ori. Shot on the wing. The kick out to Rozier. Over to the wing. Second chance shot. And off the left side of the rim, and it swirls in for him. Rozier's got 6 in the quarter.
The more of those mid-range jumpers Rozier hits, the more the passing lanes will open up for him.
Harden outside. The layup missed. And so it's Atlanta with a massive lead of 30 points here at the end of the quarter. Their defense has been active and effective. We've got
The visiting team, 24.
And there have been 2 very different performances from these teams today as we get going in quarter number 4. And Simons has got the ball here for Pittsburgh. Launches it. Good work defensively by Smart. Atlanta with the ball. Pass to Ratliff. Lets the three fly. And he's good on the three ball.
And, of course, this is Smart's biggest hurdle. Sometimes he looks great shooting the three. Sometimes, though, it's just the opposite.
Hits the three-point bomb.
And an eye for an eye. Both teams working to stretch the floor.
This is today's NBA. Hey, we see this kind of exchange more often than not.
Barnes with it. He's picked up by James. Down to 5 on the shot clock. From downtown. No good on that one. So Pittsburgh will take it the other way. Uses the glass to finish the layup.
Yeah, that's just he's just a big dude. He just brushes by defenders, and on his way up, it's just easy.
Pass to Ratliff. And here is Barnes for the three. And James pulls it down. Final quarter here, and we're just over a minute and a half through it. It's stolen by Green. Smart wide open. He fires. And they'll get another chance. Barnes outside. 5 on the clock. Outside, Smart. Kept alive by Atlanta. They shoot again. He's off on that one.
That's a surprise. I mean, really out of character for him to miss when the defense is not right up on it.
Pass to Embiid. Pittsburgh working the ball around. LeBron outside. From deep. Rebound, Atlanta.
That was a good possession. They got a clean look. The shot just didn't fall.
Barnes up top. They need this one. Good. Great play by Green to set it up.
And with the lead, I like the strategy here. Continue to get the ball to guys who can do something with it.
This is when good players really get after it. He can sense that they're reeling, and he's going to put his foot on the pedal.
Tatum wide open. He fires one. Hits from the high post. Tatum's got 5 points in the quarter.
Over the years, Tatum has limited the amount of mid-range jumpers that he takes, but it is still a natural part of his game.
Pass to Smart. Now here's Green. Guarded by Jordan. Green, no luck.
Even though it wasn't a clear path, he knows that that's a shot he should make more oftentimes than not.
Tatum, that's for 2. That one doesn't go. So Atlanta will take it the other way. Inside. And he takes that one up and powers it through.
Flying high and throwing it down with the one-hand.
One of his favorite moves right there, guys. Takes a 3. Excellent D there from Ratliff. And they are really racking up the assists in this one.
And their team chemistry is evident. These guys enjoy playing with one another. Yeah, clearly a foul of frustration right there.
Substitution on the court.
Pass to Marlin. Three-pointer. Traps in the tray.
And credit the whole team. It was a focused, concerted effort to put this one away.
And it felt like they just flipped the switch to go on that run and seal the game. Saving their best basketball for the end. Always smart.
And here's Jordan outside. And Joel Embiid pulls it down. Down low. Ratliff. And a beautiful feed leads to a monster jam.
Yeah, letting it rip. They're just having fun right now.
Man, their offense is clicking. Players, coaches, everybody, they are in sync.
No one near James as he lets it go. And again, it's Pittsburgh missing. Outside, Smart. And so Atlanta takes this one by a big margin. They won this game going away. They were the better basketball team by far tonight.
And you got to commend this sort of dominance, particularly here at home. It's a great feeling when you play almost a perfect game and to have that crowd be so pumped up.
And that's going to do it tonight, folks, for our broadcast. This is Kevin Harlan thanking you for watching. We'll see you next time.